Okay, we'll just get away from these lunatics in these cars. Come on, Allora. Are we ready for the derby? Okay, we right? Go, guys, go. Lights are off, go. Oh, 88's got the $100 bill. Lady Stevenson. Oh, look out, Tony's copped a couple already. Oh, car number 6 has just done a number on the other one. My goodness, wait a minute. Car number 98 copped it. Oh, 22, the red and white car. Look at it go. Oh, car number 77 sneaks in. 69 just got one in the side from 77. 88 just got the big one over here. Oh, number 98. Oh, my goodness, ready to ride. Ready to ride the yellow taxi. Okay, we've got the rider coming through. Oh, 10 Elwood. Not bad. Car number 42, second up to 79 there. Daniel's got a couple of things already. What a show. 42 again, the other crossover car goes around. Car number 15's pulled up, 98's over the tyre. Oh, pop that. Car number 11, that would be a hell of a ding. That's Tony Hack. I told you earlier he practiced driving a ding 6 round the bush. Lady Stevenson pulled up, Kenny's just avoided the big back from 77. Red Rise on the other side. Number 6 has come through and popped up into whoever that was. You can't see that number. Number 6 now is Carl Wilkie. Lady Stevenson's got some things in his 88, dude. Oh, Seth's got reverse. Come on, Seth! Get out of there. Oh, my goodness. 22 and 42, Seth Matthew and Jesse Russell. What a hit that was. Big play, Seth, he's still going. Oh, car number 11 bounces round. He's going to get a tyre, though. He missed the tyre. He's going round in circles. Ragutsky, father and son team out there. Oh, pop that. My goodness me. Tony Hackwood again on number 22. Poor Tanya. Elbow just been spun around. Oh, no. Oh, Seth out in the dust. Wade Stevenson, number 11 there. And Cody Hack still going. All these boat has it, guys. Oh, bit of run there. They're going to go backwards. They've all got reverse, including me. Number 22 in the ute. Jesse Russell from Boat Desert. Oh, caught that. Number 11, Cody Hack. Just put a big hand on Mick Kutsky. He's after him. Oh, Wade Stevenson, let's go, smash and dash. Red Rise just going to turn the elbow, look out. My goodness. That was the most I've ever been to a head down at a barber shop. Oh my goodness, Red Rise going great on the far side there. He steps out of his car. With a bang at number 6 and Tony Elbert creeps along there again. Oh, dodges the big hit from Wade Stevenson, 88. Tanya in the little 22 sedan, dodges Wade Stevenson again. Goodness, well, here comes the hit. No, it missed. Number 6, look at that unit go around. Carl Winsky. He did the number 11, missing. Stopped at the driver's side, doing a great job. All the other Hack 20 cars out there, stopped there and not going real good at the moment. He'll be back in action very soon. Hopefully better right, number 6 there. Carl Winsky's still going. Kenny's brother out there at 77 Mick. Oh, he's into him. Number 22, Jesse Russell. Look at him go. He's going all right. Where is Tanya? Oh, look at Tanya's car as it comes around. Oh! That was the good making the sandwich. Oh my goodness. Listen there, the Tanyas are still going great. Wade Stevenson lines are up the mister. Carl Gutsky out there as well. Oh, a little gentle tap. Oh, a little love tap on the side. Oh, we've got 2, 4, 6 to go. 6 cars going. Mick Gutsky comes down in the 77. 22, Jesse Russell. Oh, he's after Tanya. He gives Tanya a little bit of a push. I'll tell you what, someone's going to have to hit someone in a minute. Oh, 77 and 22. Jesse Russell and Mick Gutsky. They're hooked up like a pair of dogs in South Street. Oh, my goodness. Number 6 there, he's still going. Carl Winsky, the young one, he's ready to go. They're still hooked up this man, Wade Stevenson. Look out, turn the other way, you're getting lined up. Oh, missed that, give one away. Wade Stevenson got a little pop on his back tire, look at it. This boat has the guys, they've got these good old utes. Oh, here we go, number 11's going to get through and get him. Oh, beautiful hit. Cody Hack puts a big one on Mick Kutsky over the far side. And I don't think either of them have come out real well. They got him hooked up like they shouldn't be. Goodness me. Wanted to get the jaws of life breathing. Oh, here we go. Oh, Tanya. My goodness. That short, that little sedan up, a little bit more, and it's still going. Come on, Tanya, Elbow. Number 6 and Carl Winsky comes around. Misses them all. Oh, there's still 3 to go. Oh, Tanya's got some noise. She's got a little bit of pedal damage. Oh, look at the side push and the clouds is going. Number 6. Oh no. That might have stationed her. That might have put her to a station. We've still got 6. Carl Winsky and number 88, Wade Stevenson. You right, Tanya? Good job. We've still got the 2 utes. Carl Winsky and Wade says all from Boat Desert. Tanya, you okay? Yep, thank you. Oh, you were. You right?
That should stop her.
Okay, she's all right. She's tough. She might need a new car for church. Okay, 2 left to go. I think Tanya might have pulled up, unfortunately. 88, 10-6, that's Wade Stevenson. And number 6 is Carl Winsky. There's 2 left. Come on, guys. 2 are going to fight it out. we go. Here we go. I'll tell you this 6. It's built like a brick stable. Yes. That's what it is. Wadey Stevens got a solid old U2. Come on, boys. You better count pussyfoot around. Get in and hit each other. We're not driving real backwards now, boys. Just skippies. We're in the Allora showgrounds. It's a demolition derby we want. Look out. Look. She's coming up. No. Just right now. Here we go. Look out, girls. Come in for a bit of help. Car number 6. Look at him go. Stay there. All right. Keep going, guys. Get into it. I want to see the biggest hit in Australia. Yeah, they're hooked together, I reckon. Car number 88, number 6. Oh, no, he's away. 88, that's Wade Stevens has taken off. Carl Whiskey's in the other youth there. Oh, put one in the side. Didn't help him. Give him another one. Lights are on, guys. Lights are on. Lights are on. Lights are on. Lights are on. Hey, lights are on. Lights are on. Lights are on. Lights are on. Just hang on a second. There's a little bit of flame work coming out of that car. We right, inquiries?
Fun, please.
Okay, we've still got...
She's battered.
Just hang on.
Yeah.
We'll get Tanya out of there. Come on, Allora, give Tanya a big round of applause as she works towards her car. She does a big round of applause. She's a bit sore. We'll get these guys to check her out. Just hang on, guys.
Awesome.
We'll get these guys to check her out if we can.
Yeah. The one that was in that car.
Just hang on a second.
She's